Have you used a tempered glass screen protector on a curved edge smartphone like the Galaxy Note 8 only to find out that it keeps on breaking, or maybe it does not stick properly to the curves, or it just gives some or the other issue with the touch? Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you a better alternative to tempered glass screen protectors. Cue the intro. What's up everybody, Karan here, and in this video we are gonna talk about the Neo Flex screen protector film from Spigen. I'm gonna talk to you about its advantages and also I'm gonna show you how to apply it on your smartphone. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first let's talk about the issues with the traditional tempered glass screen protectors. These screen protectors now come in curved formats. They are also called 3D screen protectors, as you might know it. But the first issue is that these screen protectors are curved from the sides. Curved means these protectors are fragile. One small hit or one small impact on the side or on the curve is enough to shatter your tempered glass screen protector. Also, I have seen a lot of times that these screen protectors give you issues with the touch on your phone. They almost never properly align, no matter how expensive screen protector I buy. I myself have bought almost 3 screen protectors.
Fine, I have ordered it.
Okay, I admit I have broken 5 screen protectors in 3 months of using this phone. So, and well, those were not even severe impacts. All of them broke on minor impacts like, say, my car keys in my pocket, or maybe it was a small impact from a phone on the sides. And that's not something that you want. Also, curved or 3D tempered glass screen protectors are quite expensive, so you do not want to be replacing them quite often. So I did some research on the internet and found this Neo Flex screen protector film from Spigen. There are quite a few advantages of this screen protector over the existing traditional tempered glass screen protectors. First, it's clear and flexible. Second, it precisely fits your smartphone, it wraps around your curves. And also, it's lightweight, so no additional weight on your phone. And yes, also, this won't shatter since it's a polyurethane film. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up this box to reveal its contents. This unit that I ordered has 2 units of screen protector films in it. It might differ for you. Okay, so first we have one film, the second film. Also inside we have this small package. It has some dust removal stickers, one microfiber cloth, and also one squeegee for application, which I'll show you how to do it. Okay, and it also comes with this soapy liquid in a spritz bottle, which is also used for application. So let's see how we are going to apply this screen protector on this Galaxy Note 8. Alright, so here's the Note 8 on which I am going to apply the screen protector. Now, in order to apply the screen protector, first make sure you get rid of any covers on your smartphone. I have this one. I'm going to remove it. And also make sure that you are working in a clean environment with minimal dust, and make sure your hands are clean. Alright, so here's my broken tempered glass screen protector on the Note 8. So first step is to remove it. It's broken, so take care that you don't get hurt while removing this if it's broken. There you go, just dispose it safely. Now you can see that there's some dust collected on this side or near the edges where the screen protector was resting on it. So we need to clean that up first. So we'll take one clean side of this microfiber cloth and just do that gently. All you gotta do is make sure that your phone is pretty much dust free. There are no minute particles on it. Make sure you have adequate lighting so you can see that well. And well, just clean it perfectly. We need no dust or grime on this, because if any dust particle remains on this area, it will show up later on. Okay, so now I think my screen is pretty much clean. So let's go ahead and take this spritz bottle, open it up. It has some soapy sort of liquid in it and we have to spray it. Alright, so here's what you got to do. First, you also have to moisten your fingers so you don't accidentally end up sticking your fingers to the film. So at first it will look like you have some bubbles or anything in there. That's not an issue. Just make sure that you place it right. Make sure that your lines and the cutouts, all of those are parallel to each other, and make sure you don't overlap this film on your camera. So once you are satisfied with the placement of this film on the screen, it's time to take your squeegee and draw a sort of line at the center to mark that that's how you're going to place it, and then slowly and gently start squeezing it outwards. And also, if you feel like you have not aligned the screen properly, you can always go ahead and remove this. In my case, it's a proper fit, I think, so I need not do that, but well, if you encounter this issue, then go ahead, feel free to remove it and apply it again. Spray some more fluid on this. I'm wiping off also in this motion so that I accidentally don't put in any particles back inside the film. The film is not yet completely stuck. Now I'm doing this pretty fast for the sake of this video, but you can take as much time as you need in order to apply this perfectly. You will have no dust particles or any air bubbles trapped underneath. You might be seeing some form of like dents, or you can say ups and downs in this film, but Spigen says that these things will get removed automatically within 2 days as the film sets on the screen, so that's nothing to worry about. This will surely take some time to set on this phone, so you need to be patient and you need to make sure that you don't accidentally end up peeling off this film during that curing time. But apart from that, I think this film has set on the phone pretty well. Yes, so the installation is a bit tricky. If you go wrong, you might end up with some dust particles under this, but if you follow everything, all the steps perfectly, you will end up with a pretty decent finish like this. So this is the result after spending half an hour on application and giving it a few hours to dry. The only care that you need to take about this type of screen protector film is that you don't accidentally peel it off using a sharp object in your pocket, say like a business card or something. But apart from that, it's a pretty good film. Alright guys, so there you have it. We have successfully applied the Spigen NeoFlex film on my Galaxy Note 8. Hopefully it will stay protected and No more tempered glass shatters. You can also use this screen protector film for any other smartphone. Links for a few of them are in the description below. So guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button below, subscribe if you aren't already, and turn on your post notifications to get updates on my latest videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.